Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but we are back. So today we are making chili pepper fried rice. I saw this recipe on TikTok and decided to try it out. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back and let's enjoy the video. So I start by prepping my ingredients for the gizzard. I'll be steaming my gizzard. So I have ginger, garlic, and then onions. So I'll blend them and then pour all of them into my gizzard and then cook. So yeah, right now what I'm doing is I'm cutting my onions. Anyways, how have you guys been? I've been feeling very lazy to record. Even this one, it was very chaotic. Like I was just all over the place because I was feeling lazy, but then a girl has got to do what a girl has got to do. So yeah, this is me packing everything to go and blend. Yeah, so this voiceover thing. So like this places, what am I supposed to say? Yeah, so this is me putting in my blended whatever. Yeah. I rinse the blender and pour the water and pour the water in. Then add my salt. I'm not adding onga or Maggi because I'll be frying it, so I'll be adding I'll be adding the Maggi when I'm frying. So this is me cutting my spring onions for my green sauce. I'll be cutting green pepper and onions, and then I'll be adding habanero. I don't know. Whatever that pepper is called. I don't know if this one that I'll be using is habanero pepper or just like green. This one is green pepper. That one cannot be green pepper. Whatever, pepper. So, yeah, this is me prepping my stuff. This one, I'm not teaching you how to make anything. No. So, myself is my first time. Just watch for fun. If you want to try, you can just try. But then, I'm not really giving a tutorial. Yeah, so I'll add onions as well because I love onions. This is the pepper I was talking about. Is it called habanero? I don't know. So yeah, I'm packing this one also into my blender to go and blend to make my green sauce. Yeah. God, I'm big. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't know what to say again. Let's talk about life. Actually, I don't have anything going on in my life. Yeah, so yeah, this part I gave it to my sister to cut the carrots and then the rest of the spring onions for me. I'll be using it to fry the rice. So that's what she's doing. It's on speed because it has to be. I just start video and bad something too much. Yeah. And you know, me gizzard no. Yeah, back to the carrots. Okay, yeah, now we are frying our gizzard because Jesus, I said to Siminiano, we were just laughing. But then karma came quickly. The next person to experience the wrath of this oil was me. I even screamed because it was painful. But yeah, it's part of the kitchen week. So yeah, that's all I was doing. Until Hannah made maybe. Yeah, just stirring it. So me, just saying you see me. You that you're watching, I'm sure it is older than Yusuf. Yeah, so my gizzard is ready. I didn't want it too crunchy because I don't like hard things. I like soft. Now I'm going in with my blended pepper into the oil, my green sauce, whatever. Then I'll be stirring it for a while. So this was after like 10 minutes on Ambwa. Okay, maybe this one was after 15 minutes. I don't know. And I went in with my rice. The rice you use matters, eh? I shouldn't have used Millicent. I wanted to buy rose, but I didn't get rose. So I had to stick with Millicent. Of late, I don't like how the Millicent turns out when I cook it. So yeah, this is me just stirring. Okay. I was waiting to add the stock to it. It's a game changer. I don't play with my stock. the stock, even if I don't want to chew the chicken, I will just steam it just for the stock. So I'm stirring it together for a while so that it be real run kakra, and then I'll go in with my Okay. So yeah, we are just still stirring. What am I supposed to say again? So I'm pouring the water in. Now that the water has gone in, now that the water has gone in, I put salt in somewhere along the line, but I don't think I recorded it. I didn't want to add too much salt because I didn't know I'll be frying it again, and I'll be adding. Another thing, I added what's the name of this thing? Bring yourself. What's the name? I added bay leaves and coriander and then rosemary to the green sauce. I blended it together. So I'll just cover it and let it cook. So this was after a while, how it was looking. I didn't really record that part. So this is me frying my vegetables that I'll be using to fry my rice. Yeah, I just love the colors, but unfortunately my sister does not like all these things. So, but then I have to eat. Like it needs to look good. So this is just me. Then after that, I added my Maggi cube. Okay, I fried it for a while, and then added my Maggi cube to it. You guys, what do you prefer? Do you prefer onga or Maggi? I like onga, but Maggi is also not bad. So, by this one, I used onga. This is me going in with my rice. Yeah. Guys, tomorrow is Monday, and I'm dreading it. I'm just praying that it will rain. It should rain. The only reason why I don't want it to rain is because, people's houses might get flooded. That's the only reason. And Kenya Sapa, like I will even fast for the rain to pour. I'm tired. I need like a week or like a year to myself, just relaxing, because why not? I deserve it. Ain't it? Yeah, so I'm still going in with my rice. At this point, I don't know what to say again, I'm just stirring, so let's just look at me stirring. That's what I think I did this for a while because the rice was a lot. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the water, whatever. So I need to go and turn it off, but I don't want to stop the video. So, guys, I'll be right back. I'm back. We are still stirring. This took a while. You can just forward it. You can forward it to the final this one because I think I'm almost done. The next thing I did was to add like the spring onions to it and then the gizzard. That was basically it. Guys, if you've watched to this point and you've not liked, you hate me. Like, you hate me. You cannot hate me. I'm just a lovable person. Please subscribe to the video, like, share, and leave a comment. Tell me what you want me to make next. This one, I don't know. It was just whatever. But guys, just kindly like for me, okay, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Wow. Anyways, guys, so the video is almost over. I'm going to leave it. See you in my next video. Love you. Yeah, still staring. Yeah, the best I could say up in life. So yeah, bye bye.